All right, what's up guys? Here's my 2014 Ram 1500, and today I'm going to be installing this here Tyger bed cover. Let's see how it goes. So here's what comes in the box. You got the bed rail covers, your little instruction booklet here. Looks like some kind of foam gasket. And your bed cover comes in this neat little carrying case. These here are your brackets to attach the side rails. And let's see how this thing fits. Alright, so first thing, instructions here, tools required, ratcheting wrench, 10mm socket, Phillips head screwdriver. Check, check, and check. Now, let's take a look at this here. Item list, we've got the cover, check, side rails, got brackets, and a front seal. Alright. Instructions look pretty simple. Start with the seal strip, maybe. We'll see about that. And then place cover assembly on front of truck bed against the cab. Loosen the screw in the bulkhead assembly. Alright. Drop the side rails on. Clamp them on. And roll it out. Alright. Let's get to it. So we got the bed cover ready to go. Got my screwdrivers. Climb up in here. Now, the instructions say your front rail is lower than your side rails, you should use the foam gasket. And looking at this, looks like the previous owner of this vehicle probably had one of these bed covers installed. Probably removed it when they put the vehicle up for sale. This vehicle was purchased used, so we'll see what we find. Foam seal is going on nice and easy. Just following the line of the previous seal. Just trying to keep it nice and even with the truck bed. And just a little tip to you guys, if you don't normally do this stuff, whenever you're working with foam, vinyl, stickers like that, you want to move just a little bit at a time. So what I usually do is just start peeling, wrap the peel underneath, and work it about 1 inch to 2 inches at a time. Press it down, make sure it's adhered nicely, nice and smooth, in line, looking good. Then just keep on moving down. Got a bunch of extra seal here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that off right at the corner. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So we got the foam seal installed. Like I said, nice and clean. Went a little bit at a time, kept it right in line with the edge of the bed. And then in the corners, I left a little bit of extra so it would smush into the bed rails. So next step here, place the bed cover in place. And there's 2 bulkhead screws up front that I'll show you in a second. You loosen those up so you can install the side rails, tighten them back up, and then we'll go to clamping down the side rails. These are those bulkhead screws we were talking about. We're going to go ahead and loosen them up, install the side rail, and tighten it back up and clamp them all in place. So just a quick tip for you guys, if you're doing this on your truck by yourself, you know, this probably could be easier with 2 people, but certainly seems doable with 1. So once you install the side rail, you want to keep this gap nice and flush. You know, you want to keep it all aligned so that it sits nice and square on the body. So what I did, the screw is right in there. Makes it a little bit difficult to get at and hold in place. So once I got it started, just rolled over the bed cover a little bit, get my screwdriver in there, and tighten it up until it clamps down. So I'm gonna go do the other side now, and then we'll move on to clamping it. Now another little tip, so you guys see how this bracket here is angled? That actually fits into, let's see if I can do this here, that slot right there, that angled slot right here in this aluminum extrusion. You slide it in, and the screw actually clamps on this lip here, and that keeps it all tight. So here's what I was talking about with the bed cover there, holding the rail in place. And you stick your screwdriver in here and just tighten it up. A few turns until it bites in. And then side rail locked in place. Alright, so I've got the side rails on, bed cover on, all lined up. One thing I'm not too sure of is these guys right here. We'll see if we have to remove those. I'm going to leave them on for now. Go ahead and clamp this down and see if we have any issues. So these guys will sit over the bed rail, clamp down onto the frame of the cover, just like that. So let's get these installed and then we'll show you guys what we're working with. And so here's what that clamp looks like when it's installed over the side rails. But just to show you guys, this part hooks up underneath the bed rail, and then this fits into the channel on the side rail. Now I'm going to put these down kind of near the latch here. The instructions say to place them evenly. We'll see if this is an issue. I don't really think so though, but I'm going to tighten them up, get the other, get all 6 installed, and see how this thing lays out. Alright, so you guys can see there we've got the backs installed, the clamps, got the front clamps installed on both sides. Now we're going to go ahead, finish up with the middle ones, then we're going to roll out the liner, cover rather, see how this thing fits. Alright, so here's the bed cover all rolled out, got it installed, fits up pretty nice. Pretty even all around. The only thing with this one is I've seen some of them that come out onto the tailgate a bit more. This one's kind of near the edge, so we'll see how it does as far as water, snow, whatever getting in there. But fits up nice and clean, nice and easy. So check it out. Hope this helps.